Yoku Video Hip Hop variety show. This Hip Hop 5 officially started recording. Since the first season of the show, it has attracted widespread attention from netizens at home and abroad. It has played an important role in promoting the development of Chinese hip-hop culture. After several seasons of the show, it has also become a must-have for audiences in the summer. Less dinner variety shows. According to Reuters, pictures of the guests uploaded by netizens, the known captains of this season's show so far are Wang Yibo, Han Zheng, Liu Yuxin and Li Chengxuan. The instructors of the new lineup make the fans of hip-hop shine. Based on the extremely high viewing value and excellent reputation of this variety show, the possibility of becoming a hit is too great, and netizens have expressed their approval. This year, Wang Yibo has fully blossomed in film, comprehensive and drama. In the first half of the year, he plunged into the group and immersed himself in filming. In the second half of the year, he developed in an all-round way and became a strength worker, except for this. In addition to Hip Hop 5, he has many TV dramas and movies waiting to be broadcast. The hip-hop movie Enthusiasm starring Wang Yibo has been launched. This theme is rare, and it can make him the starring role to show Wang Yibo's unshakable position in the Chinese hip-hop world. On the day the movie was launched, he also posted, "Because of Love, So Warm." In recent years, Wang Yibo has been working hard to break through himself as an actor, but at the same time he has not forgotten his original beliefs. This comeback also stems from his love for the hip-hop stage. Although the origin of idols was not favored at first, but Wang Yibo was recognized by the industry and widely praised by the public for his own strength and charisma. Compared with other people in the same company, they were eager to film and their business ability plummeted. Wang Yibo was able to make idols. It is not easy to switch between the two identities of the actor and to achieve the ultimate goal. As the champion captain for 2 seasons, Wang Yibo's contribution to the show goes beyond that. Many people choose to pay attention to this show because of him. Even Hip Hop 5 was not only able to stand out among the variety shows at first because of the audience's love for hip-hop culture.